Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to pay with Cash App on Xbox. If you've ever wanted to buy games, subscriptions, or DLC using your Cash App balance, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss a single step. First, make sure you have a verified and activated Cash App card. That's your virtual or physical cash card. You'll need it to complete this process. Now, instead of setting this up directly on your Xbox console, we're going to do it through the official Xbox website for a smoother experience. Open a browser on your computer or phone and go to xbox.com. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you use on your Xbox. Once you're signed in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Click the three dots to open the menu, then select Xbox Settings. Scroll down to the billing section and choose Remove or Add Payment options. At this point, Microsoft might ask you to sign in again to verify your identity. Go ahead and do that. Now click the plus sign to add a payment method. Select your region. For most people, that's the United States. And then choose Credit or Debit Card. Here's where you enter your Cash App card details. Cardholder name, card number, expiration date, security code. After you submit the info, Microsoft will validate the card. If it's successful, your Cash App card is now linked to your Xbox account. From here, you can use it to pay for games, Game Pass subscriptions, add-ons, and more, all directly from your Cash App balance. And that's it. You're ready to start making purchases on Xbox with your Cash App card. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you ran into any issues. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!